guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Faithfully Asia and I'm back with another review. So guys, I got a good video today. I have another review from one of my favorite vendors. You guys already know that by now, Hairvivi, if you haven't already guessed it. Let me go ahead and get this box. I'm so excited to try this new hairstyle that I saw on TikTok. So let's deal with the first line of business. The unit that I'm going to be reviewing today is this. I believe this is a 16-inch unit, as I mentioned, from Hairvivi. It has like a slight body wave, but I don't know if it's considered body wave. You guys already know, everything will be in this description box down below. So I'm gonna go ahead and quickly show you guys the cap construction really quickly before I jump into this install. This particular unit comes with Hairvivi's fake scalp. I always get mine in a mocha color. Of course, you guys know fake scalp, there is no additional charge for it. And I always say just get the fake scalp, because if you don't like it, you can always cut it out. It's real simple to snip the scalp off. This is one of their new cap constructions. If you haven't seen my other video showing that they have created this new glueless unit that has these bendable tabs on the side. And basically when you put the unit on, you're allowed to bend the tabs on the side so that, you know, typically when we wear our units glueless, the size is the issue. You know, usually if a unit has an elastic band, the top is going to lay down, but it's the sides that stick up. So with these new bendable tabs, you can wear the unit glueless. You don't have to apply any adhesive, hairspray, or whatever. You could just throw it on and head out the door. And then they also have these silicone tabs in the back. And the silicone tabs in the back help the unit stay flat against your head. I believe this is a 13x5 or 13x6 lace. Whatever it is, I'll have it across the screen and it'll be in the description box down below. It comes with also these goodies. Well, it don't come with this. I think you could purchase this if you want. A tweezer, a baby hair brush, a comb, and a couple of hair clips. And of course, it's a Hairvivi unit, so you guys already know that is going to come plucked to the gods, ready to install. One thing I always love doing a Hairvivi review, because it's never really an issue when it comes to the installation and making it look natural. So without any further ado, let's just go jump into this install. So I saw this video on TikTok. This girl had like this cute little side swoop bob. So I'm gonna try to recreate it, or at least make it my own. So first order of business is that I'm going to just go ahead and put this on the mannequin head. Actually, before I put it on the mannequin head, let me go ahead and try this on so you guys can see what it looks like on. Now I'm about to take my hat off. Mind your business. So I had already gone ahead, just to save time, I've already gone ahead and parted this unit. But just so you guys know, the way you want to part this unit is you want to go from middle of the eyebrow and over. So you want to part it at a diagonal, right? And then come with the swoop. The parting area is looking pretty good. This plucked hairline is looking delicious. And the hair looks nice and healthy. Now, I'm going to go ahead and put it on the mannequin head. Okay, so first step, you want to section off the bang area, because this hairstyle does require a bang. And then I'm going to cut it, I think, around here. So now we got some layers. So I'm going to flatten the top, because you want to start with a flat base always. So next I'm going to start, and I'm going to just start curling this unit. And you want to curl in an upward motion. Then I'm going to just roll these curls up and pin them at the end. And then we're going to repeat that for the top. Okay, so I'm finished with this side. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do the same for the back and on this side. Okay, so I ran out of hair clips to hold these pin curls in. So I'm going to go ahead and start adding the flexi rods. I know from the video she add flexi rods. How many, how she did it, I have no idea. That's one of the bad things about TikTok. everything is compressed, so you kind of miss some important steps. You don't notice it until you try to recreate it. All right, so I'm gonna take this out right here, and I'm gonna just put them together on one flexi rod. And I'm gonna just do the same thing going up. Okay, so I finally finished putting these rollers in. This is what it looks like. And these are curled to the back this way. I'm going to leave it in to let the flexi rod set for a little bit, for about probably 30 minutes. And I'll be right back with the install. Okay, dolls. So now that I've finished with the roller set, I'll let this hair sit actually for like a day. You guys know I get distracted. So this is how it looks all around. And this roller came out, which is fine because I think it might be too tightly curled anyway. So let's go ahead and do this install. So remember, this is the unit where you guys could technically wear it glueless because it has Hairvivi's new glueless technology. But I'm going to go ahead and spray it down with some hairspray just because I want to really have like that melted look. So let me go ahead and use my favorite spray that I've been using now. And that's the Wonder Lace Bond in Active. And I do a duo with that and I mix it with the Firm. You could spray on top of your lace. A lot of people spray on top of their lace. I just never really got into spraying on top of my lace. Okay, so I'm going to let that sit for about 5 or 10 minutes. And while I do that, I'm going to go ahead and take these rollers out. This was a lot harder to spray being that I have these rollers in. One thing I know, I want to flatten this part over here. So I'm just using some of my Faithfully Asia Beauty wax stick. It's available for purchase on my website. That'll be linked in the description box down below. Okay, I'm in a rush, so I can't really wait for this to sit much longer. So hopefully it's glued down. Okay, so now I'm about to cut the lace. Y'all, this Hairvivi lace is so see-through. I almost thought I cut this already. So when they call this clean bleach frontal, they mean exactly that. Add the powder back to my forehead. Okay, so now let me see what these curls look like. So guys, this is pretty much the hairstyle I was going for. It's like a curly bob. I think it's super cute. I think the curls on the girl whose video I was copying, I think her curls was a little bit tighter, but this serves just as well. I am gonna spray it with some hairspray to keep these curls. I love to use this BioSilk. It's very good with holding curls without making it like stiff. But this is pretty much the final look. You guys already know this is a Hairvivi unit. It's a 13x6 frontal. You're gonna get a full 13x6. You're gonna get a lot of lace. You're gonna get a lot of parting space. You're gonna get a glueless unit if you want to wear it without using any adhesive or any glue. You could use it. It will lay down on the sides. They have this new tabs that you bend them, the bendable tabs, and it'll make it lay down on the side without any adhesive. This unit that I'm wearing right now is 16 inches. Real quickly, I'm gonna let you guys see what it looks like from behind. I can't see what it looks like, but if I don't like it, I'll just play with the curls. And as always, guys, I'll have everything available for you as well as a coupon code. I'm gonna go ahead and put that across the screen, and I'll also have it in the description box down below. With the Hairvivi coupon codes, you usually get a higher discount. If you purchase sooner rather than later, is the more you'll save. But guys, before we get out of here, of course, I'm gonna need y'all to help me name this unit. What do you think we should call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed last week. The new name, as well as the person who submitted the name, will be listed across the screen. So dolls, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already part of the Faithful fam, be sure and hit that subscribe button before you leave. And as always important, until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.